Hi, I'm Dr. Shifali Tyagi. I am the obstetrician and gynecologist working at Motherhood, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. It's a very common scene that married couples come after 10 years of marriage that doctor, we have been using condoms for all these 10 years, but this is the first time that in spite of using a condom, I have conceived. So condoms otherwise is a good method of contraception, but you have to be careful while using it. If used properly, condoms are effective to the extent of 95 to 98% in case of males. But if used improperly, we do see failure rates of around 12 to 25% in practical life. So why does a condom fail? Condom can fail if the condom breaks or splits, or if the condom slips, or if you have been using wrong size of condom, or if the proper usage has not been done. In that case, we do see failure with condoms. In case of female condoms, again, if the condom is pushed too far into the vagina, or if the penis has entered on the side of the vagina away from the condom, or if you have used too much lubrication, the female condom can also give failure. So you have to be careful while choosing the size, and the correct application should be practiced. Now, how do you know that condom has failed? In many instances, soon after you've had your intercourse, you can see the condom being slipped off, or the condom has got toned and you can see the fluid coming out. In that case, you can discuss with your doctor, because every time you don't need to take emergency contraceptive immediately, because it also depends on the day of the cycle on which this has happened. There are some days where the probability of conceiving are very high, while other days you are more or less relatively safe. So just discuss with your doctor, and accordingly what she advises, you can go ahead.